Stay updated with the latest developments in the Forex market. Here's the most recent news from RobotFX. The Federal Reserve's Fifth District Manufacturing Index rose by 3 points in April 2026 to a reading of 3, defying market expectations for a contraction of -5 and marking the first improvement since February of the previous year. The result was consistent with other leading indicators for the period, suggesting that the goods-producing sector is demonstrating resilience in the face of surging energy costs and supply chain disruptions stemming from the war in the Middle East. The new orders index advanced further 8 vs. 4 in March, even as shipments remained slightly negative and unchanged too. At the same time, local business conditions improved markedly 10 vs. -5, prompting firms to stabilize employment 0 vs. -2, ending a recent decline in headcounts. Input price pressures continued to build. Prices paid rose to 6.4 from 6.11, while output price growth moderated. Prices received eased to 4.73 from 4.85. Looking ahead, firms reported a softer outlook for shipments 21 vs. 26 and new orders 26 vs. 32. The material has been provided by RobotFX.org. Never miss news-driven moves. Use the News OCO Expert Advisor to place pending orders safely around economic releases. Find out more.
Boost your trading with advanced tools from RobotFX.
Visit www.robotfx.org for expert advisors and indicators.